Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to add a table in a Canva presentation. First, open a new presentation design in Canva. There are two different methods you can use to add a table. I will walk you through both. The first method is to use the Elements panel. On the left side of the screen, click on the Elements section. Then scroll down until you find the Tables section. Click on it to see different table shapes. Choose the table layout that works best for your design. After placing the table on your slide, you can resize it by dragging the corners. Now you can click inside each cell and start typing your content. The second method is even quicker. Press the slash key on your keyboard. This will open a search menu. In the search bar that appears, type the word table. Now you will see an option to insert a table. Use your mouse to select how many columns and rows you want to add. Once you select the layout, the table will appear on your slide. If you want to add more columns later, click on the three dots at the top of the table toolbar. In the drop-down menu, choose the option to add a column. A new column will be added to your table. You can also make sure all your columns have the same width. To do that, open the same three-dot menu and click on Size Columns Equally. This will adjust the spacing so that all columns are evenly sized. That's how you can add and customize a table in your Canva presentation. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.